How to import a Scrivener template to your Scrivener Project Templates menu and use it inside Scrivener. Hi there, this is Kaz from the Scrivener Quick Start channel, where I show you how to use Scrivener in interesting ways that will amplify your writing and get you going much faster. One of the quickest ways to initiate a new workflow in Scrivener is with a template where someone else has already figured it out for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a template into your Scrivener app so that you can use it inside your projects. Here we are on my Scrivener Templates page. You'll find a link to this page in the description below. Click on the thumbnail images to see a demo of what each template does and how to use it. Download any template you like and add your own spin to it. Then, when you download a template, it comes in as a .scriv template file. You can't just double-click on it to open it. You have to import it into your Scrivener application. You should see the Project Templates pop-up menu every time you open Scrivener, but if you already have a project open, go to File, New Project. Open the Options drop-down menu and choose Import Templates. Navigate to the template you just downloaded and click on Import. The new template will appear in a category selected by the template creator, like the Miscellaneous tab, or into a category added by the template creator. In this case, into a Quick Start category. While we're here, if ever you want to delete a template, select it, open the Options drop-down menu and choose Delete Selected Template. But we're going to open this template just as we would any of the default templates. Note that this template has not been designed to include the optimum arrangement of files and folders for any specific type of writing, or all the pre-configured settings for exporting a book at the click of a button. It's designed to be a standalone copywriting project or to be added to an existing project. So if you want this to be part of an existing project, start in the correct template for your type of writing in the first place. See, this project has folders and files for a novel, the front matter folder, and the correct metadata for a novel layout when you come to export it. Select the new project, click on Choose. Give it a name if it's going to be a dedicated project. Decide where to save it to, and then click on Create. See, it's come in as a Scrivener project. If this will be your dedicated copywriting project, you're ready to go. If you want to add it to an existing project, if it comes in as a new tab at the top of your Scrivener window, drag it off so that you can see both projects at once. Browse through it and find any documents you might want to use in your current project, and drag them across, making sure they don't land inside the draft manuscript folder, so that they're not included when you compile. Delete the new project. If you want to learn how to create your own Scrivener templates and share them online, check out the video at the bottom of my templates page, link in the description below. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you're going to start using your Scrivener application in new and interesting ways.